YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another unboxing video. So, you all know when it rains it pours, and it's pouring in my house because these boxes are just raining on in to the house. So, I have something here. I've sort of hinted at what it might be, but I wanted to unbox it before I started my mad dash to get the boys to every place they need to be this evening. So without further ado, I'm going to get my handy dandy and go ahead and cut into this package. Let me tell you how I got this. So this was a color I was looking at, and I've decided recently that I just really do not want to pay full price for Coach bags or Tory Burch bags because they go on sale. So I did make the exception for the denim fill toe 22. I could have saved money on that had I waited. I made the exception for the denim soft tabby, and I don't think I would have been able to get that if I had waited. So most of the time though, I don't make an exception. And this was an item, or this is an item that is not on sale yet. And I saw it, I liked it, and I was mindlessly scrolling through Facebook, minding my own business on my groups page, and there it was, and it had been posted like 8 minutes before. And I messaged the gal who's very active in the group, a lovely lady, and I said, can I have it? And she said sure. So here it is. So the box is 9 by 9 by 5, and that is just about the perfect size box for this little bag. There you go. Very well packaged, better than most department stores. Still wrapped up, or I don't know if this is the original Coach packaging it came in, but she did tell me it was brand new. I can't remember if it was with tags or without tags, but that doesn't really matter. So here we go. I think I've said here we go like 3 times now, but that's okay. Gonna do the reveal. I haven't seen this yet, so we're seeing it together. So this is wonderful. She wrapped it up pretty much exactly like she got it, which I love because in the pictures it was unwrapped, but she took the care to go ahead and wrap it back up. So if you hadn't noticed, this is the Cassie 19. Surprise, surprise. When I get a bag on the brain, I just keep it on the brain for a while. And the color is the gorgeous Sport Red. So you might wonder what the difference is between Sport Red and Red Orange, and I'm going to show you. Hang on. So this is the Sport Red Cassie 19, and this is the Red Orange strap from my Tali bag. You can tell those are not the same. This definitely looks orange next to the Sport Red. Now, the reason why I was so excited about getting this bag is because, first of all, I sort of think of red bags as being great little bags. Second of all, the school that my kids go to, one of the 2 colors is red. And so I feel like I should be able to wear this to a lot of sporting events. And also, speaking of sporting events, we have tickets often to go see the University of Kansas play. And when we go to that, one of their colors is red. And I like that the primary color is more blue, and then this is the secondary color, because then this is just an awesome pop on whatever the outfit is I choose to wear. So this is the little short strap. I mentioned this in the video I did yesterday and told you how much I enjoy the short strap. It is just great for grab and go. This bag has a ton of padding. It's still factory wrapped, meaning that it's got all of the papers and little extra padding on the zipper pull and everything. So I appreciate that. We've got the Cassie 19 chain. These chains are wonderful. They're heavy though. So just be aware they do add extra weight to your bag. If I do use all 3 of the straps at one time, what I do is I hook them on where this one's in the middle, the chain is in the front, and then I put the long strap in the back. I really like it if I can find a long strap that is thicker to go with the bag. And this and my little purple signature Cassie 19 are now the only 2 Cassie 19s out of my 7 that do not have an alternate strap that's wider. I may just have to go shopping in the see-through purses part of my closet and see if I can find a strap to go with this. What do you think? I think I'll do it. Okay, so one thing I wondered about was if the red in all of these straps from Coach that I have, if the red would go with sport red. And the answer is a resounding yes. I definitely think that goes. So I have these straps with the red accent and then slightly different interior accents on this one versus a couple of the other ones I have. But one of my other ones has a vachetta colored leather and the other one has a rust colored leather. So I would just definitely stick with either this one that has the black leather, because I think with the red on the strap, I think that really pops. Or I would use that vachetta leather option if I didn't want to have black be part of my wardrobe. So here is my other option, and I really, really like that. It sort of gives me LV vibes or Louis Vuitton vibes with this vachetta leather, and that red stripe in there pops even more than the one that had the black leather trim. So I'm digging this combo. The one see-through purses strap that I have that looks really pretty with this bag is this floral one. So that is another definite winner and would really pull together the right outfit. If I wanted to wear blue, this would be an amazing pop of red with this strap. It's almost like dressing your bag with a scarf, but it's a strap and it doesn't get in the way. I love it. So here is my brand new Cassie 19 and the color Sport Red. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much to the wonderful seller. I appreciate it. I appreciate the time you took in packing the bag and how quickly you got it to me. That was amazing. I may have another one of these in store for you in the next day or two. And then after that, I plan to do a full Cassie 19 collection video, and I may expand that to be a full Cassie collection because I will have, well, I'm not going to say how many I have because that might give away what the future unboxing is, but I do need to wait a few days before I film that collection video. Hint, hint. Anyhow, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, don't forget to go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ symbol and then the handbag housewife. You can DM me through Instagram or email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.